This is creepy. Check this out. I seen this on World of Mr. Grey. In the bathroom. My shampoo, it fell down. Wait a second, this is World of Mr. Grey. He likes watching these videos in portrait mode. I seen this on World of Mr. Grey. Shampoo bottle fell down. Nobody was in here. And every once in a while, the sink turns on by itself. And then it turns off. I don't understand this. How could this be? It just turns on and off. Who could I call? Who? Mr.Grey. That's a good idea. Alrighty. Time for a little debunking here on how this could possibly have been done. Not saying it was, not saying it wasn't, but check this out. Alright. We have ourselves a little battery. Little tiny. Give you an idea. That's how small this thing is. And we have a 12 volt relay that comes with two of these little switches here. You can program these to stay on, to work on off, or you can do momentarily when you hit the on button. As long as you're holding it down, it stays on. You let off, it stops. And then this is wired into a little 12 volt solenoid. That's all this is, 12 volt DC solenoid. Your water line from the house to the sink gets plugged up in here. The other end has a hose fitting, or the what is this? The FIP, half-inch FIP fitting that connects to the bottom of almost every single faucet in the world. And that's all it takes. You hit the button, light comes on, solenoid opens up, water flows through and goes up to the sink. Pretty simple. I've rigged these up before to do a lot more than just a ghost in a faucet, but hope this helps, buddy. Till the next one, y'all be safe out there.